afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure in performing for you this, our 15th flight demonstration of the 2016 season. I'm Lieutenant Tyler Davies, narrator for the Blue Angels. The Blue Angel maintenance crew and their equipment travel aboard a United States Marine Corps C-130 Hercules, affectionately known as Fat Albert. It is a large blue and white aircraft in position on the runway to your left. Today, Fat Albert will be demonstrating the high-performance climb capability of the Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules. On the runway from the left, Fat Albert will soon be rolling. They'll accelerate their aircraft to 125 miles per hour, perform a low transition, and execute a high-performance climb, placing the aircraft in a 45-degree nose-up attitude. Is capable of carrying a payload of 40,000 pounds at a top speed of 375 miles per hour at altitudes as high as 35,000 feet. Equipment and a specialized maintenance and support team of 47 personnel. Having completed their startup and takeoff checks, the 6 demonstration pilots are approaching the end of the runway to begin their